Hello everyone, my name's Hannah and I'm from ProCandleSupply.com. This is going to be a quick video, but I'm super excited to tell you some great news. I've received a ton of feedback on our soy candle making kit, and the #1 request was to be able to pick your own fragrances. You asked and I listened because I've made a kit just for you that now gives you the ability to make even more soy candle tints and pick the 4 fragrances you'd like in your kit. We will still continue to sell the original soy candle making kit, but what's great about this kit is you get to pick your own fragrance. If you're not familiar with this channel, welcome. And if you're new to candle making, you can check out my step-by-step soy candle making tutorial at the link below, where I walk you through step-by-step using our basic soy candle making kit. Once you watch that video, you'll learn all the steps necessary to easily make soy candles. I also have a bunch of other videos on my channel that cover candle making techniques, such as how to color your candles, finding the right wick size, and tips on perfecting your soy candles. Right now, I'm going to run through everything that's in this larger kit. In this kit, you'll receive 4 pounds instead of 3 pounds of soy wax, 12 8-ounce tins instead of 8, 12 wick stickers, 12 wicks, a thermometer, 3 metal bow tie clips instead of 2, full written directions as well as a step-by-step video tutorial, a large pour pitcher. This is a great value. Many kits out there only offer the smaller version that only holds 1 pound of melted wax. This baby right here holds 4 pounds of melted wax. As you grow and make more candles, you'll have a larger pour pitcher available so that you can melt and pour more candles at once. Last but not least, the exciting part, 4 fragrances of your choice. At this point in time, you can choose from any of the candle fragrances we offer. There are 4 drop-down boxes on the website, and you must click each box and select the fragrance you want. I'm really excited about providing this option for you all. I'm hoping it will help you more easily get started on making candles, since the preference of fragrance is now yours. Remember, all of our current candle making kits include everything you need to learn the basics of soy candle making. I've included the link below to the larger kit with the 4 fragrance options. Make sure you check it out, as well as all my other videos on craft making. I think that about wraps this video up. Always make sure you check back on our website for updated candle fragrances, as I'm always working to add new fragrances for you. If there's one particular fragrance you're looking for, feel free to email me directly your suggestions or leave a comment below. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe so you don't miss any videos. Peace out. Bye.